Which set of statements correctly describes how to compare the values of 5 times the square root of 7 and 7 times the square root of 5? This is a calculator problem. So this is a matter of you just running to your calculator and finding out what 5 times the square root of 7 is and what 7 times the square root of 5 is. According to our calculator, 5 times the square root of 7 is 13, and I'm just going to give a bunch of decimals, 0.22875, blah, 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 blah. 7 times the square root of 5, when thrown into a calculator, is going to be 15.65247, blah, 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 blah. So 15 being greater than 13 means that 5 root 7 is going to be smaller than 7 root 5. So 5 root 7 is less than 7 root 5. So which one of these match up? 5 root 7 is 7. Nah. 5 root 7 is 13.2-ish. Yes. 7 root 5 is 17. No, it wasn't C. So 5 root 7 is 13.2-ish. 7 root 5 is 15.7-ish, and 5 root 7 is less than 7 root 5. The answer is D, baby.